Hey guys, what's up? Merry Christmas. I really like this holiday. Hope you're gonna celebrate with your girlfriend, with your AI model, with your family, whatever. Just celebrate this holiday, which is amazing. Happy New Year. New Year gonna start soon. Really exciting about that. For today, we're gonna talk about new trade strategy that I'm using and my students as well, which working great lately. So let's dig in. Instead of using all the bots, that you connect on VPS, whatever, and then they run automatically, which is not working good. Right now, what we're doing, we are warming up accounts on phone or iCloud or cloud phone. Sorry, we're using legit proxies. Okay, so it looks good for threads. And I give my VA to warm up the accounts. Okay, we give it a week or so. We see the account performing well. We see it getting likes. Everything is okay. And then we say, okay, time to move on. And then we're going to use the automation. So we're moving into API automation, which is like marketing agencies are using API automation. Okay, this is for managing their social of their clients. It's normal. It's okay. Instagram give this opportunity because it's okay. So there is zero ban rate. Okay, which is really important compared to the VPS bots and all of that. So after the account is warm up enough, we're connecting it to the API automation for uploading the post. We're doing 5 posts per day. Okay, so for the content creation, we use automation, which is in one click, we generate thousands of photos and we're ready to go. Also, it gives us the viral caption, so we don't have to look manually and just check each one. It generates that by AI, the viral captions, and it's all ready to actually bulk upload. We also created a customized automation that with one click, it's taking all the photos, create the viral captions, and give us CSV, which we can upload in bulk to the API, which is really great. Let's talk about cost. So total cost automation is $6 per account, which is okay. And we are generating 150 photos per month, which is $4 only. We can use also spoofer if we want, but I don't care. It's just $4, and I prefer to bring totally different content, which is even better than spoofing. Total per account is $10, okay, which is really not a lot. Of course, it's a little bit more for the proxies, but that's okay. Like, it's just like more, I don't know, a few cents. And cost to run 10 accounts is $100, okay, which is good enough. I mean, it's not a lot. The traffic we can generate here and the long-term accounts, right? Because this account warm up on real phone, we're uploading content daily. We use official API, and this account probably will not get banned, okay, because it's all safe. So this is the strategy right now, okay. And by the way, if account is not performing, we can just switch to another account. Like we're doing it as well. Perfect. So then we're sending them through a bridge page. What is in the bridge page is 2 links. One is for a personal Telegram, which is Cupidbot on, and the second one is the Telegram channel. And then from that, of course, I don't need to say more about it. The AI bot chatting with them and convert them to fund view. Here's the money made. We put chatters, who chat for us. And then, as you can see, this is the results. This is my student's result here. This guy made 4K in less than 3 weeks, I think. He was stuck for 3 months. As you can see, Merry Christmas. I just got this message from him today. This is one of my accounts, 626 followers in like a week or so, which is not crazy, but is only one account, and as you can see here, this is crazy result, which you can see this is the max option like you can get. So you got in a week 10,000 followers, and he's in crazy niche, and this is one account. Okay, so if you have like 9 of them, and let's say 9 of them got few thousands, you can get crazy results. We all by the way, this guy got 2K people on his Cupidbot, okay, in a week, which is insane results to the people who knows what is Cupidbot and then know that you got a lot anyway. Yeah, that's it, guys. So as we said, we warm up the accounts. We have structured way to warm up. Okay, so it's not get banned. It's not looking like weird to the algorithm. Accounts just don't get banned. Then we send it to the API automation. We connect them, and then we create content for each account. As I said, for 1 month, it's just take 10 minutes. We have 150 photos, including viral captions, everything ready. Just one click, bulk upload. Simple as that. So we don't need to deal with this account anymore. Okay, every 1 month, my VA is doing it, and that's it. Then we send them to with Bridge page to two options. One is the Cupid bot, one is the Telegram channel. We use deep links, which I didn't say before. Deep links is we want to get them out of the Instagram or Telegram browser, so we use a deep link. So it's open Google Chrome, so the way they subscribe is more easier, and then they can fill up their email because it's already saved and the credit card already saved. So it's just more easier sign up, and the conversion are way more higher. So that's it, guys, for Christmas. I don't have more to say, but Threads is still here. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, to be honest. People get banned and all of that, it's normal. But if you do the things right, you're gonna see success like that. Okay, there is no reason why. We adapt all the time, of course. And yeah, if you're serious about it, if you want to learn more, if you want to implement these strategies for yourself and actually start to make money with your AI model, I do have mentorship, as you probably already know. If you feel you're serious, and I don't want people who are going to waste my time, be careful with that, okay? If you feel you're serious, if you feel you want to put money to learn, okay? It's not for free, it's not cheap, okay? Feel free to text me on Telegram. Tell me exactly why you want to learn, why you think you're going to fit to my mentorship, and then we can discuss and I give you more details if it's relevant to me and to you, okay? And one last thing, when you reach 10K with your model, so you're gonna join to my VIP group, which have their really strong people, 6-figure owners, agency, trading agency owners, developers as well. So a lot of good stuff there, and you're gonna be head of the market for sure. This is everything for today, and see you on the next video. Peace.